Hello guys, good evening. I want to show you how to update your EIFI. So many of us who took the airdrop, very soon you can be able to withdraw your airdrop to your trust wallet. So but you need to update your information. You need to update your wallet for you to be able to have access to this wallet. So that is what I want to show you right now. My name is Blessedman. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Click the bell icon so that you can always get the videos whenever I drop my videos. So, um, um, if you are not on my training group, this is Successful Investment Group. Please join the group. The link is in the description to this video. And when you join it, you can request for this particular update write-up. What you need to do is, first of all, you come here and click this first link here. When you click on the first link, you just go ahead and log into AIFI site. You come to a page like this. When you come to a page like this, you simply fill in your email address and then log in. Click on login. That's it. This is my AIFI dashboard. You can see it right now. This is what I have, 2.770 token. Remember that you can share your referral link and be able to make 0.5 token of AIFI. In the market right now, AIFI is 200 and something dollar. So if you have two of it, you have almost $500. So once you have done this, go back to this write up and then click on this second link here. Click on this https://aifi.com/account/profile. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So what you're going to do is you click on this particular wallet. Right now I have updated my own wallet. So but when you click on wallet, you go to, first and foremost, you need to add EIFI in your trust wallet. I'll be dropping the contract link, the contract address of EIFI on the link to this video. So all you need to do is copy this contract address, copy it, then go to your trust wallet, and on your trust wallet you click on these two icons here to add token. You just click on paste. Already, because I have this. Okay, so what you need to do is to just click on this. You just click on this to activate, and then you go back. You can now see it here. You can now see it in your trust wallet. This is it here. This is it here. So now that you have it in your trust wallet, all you need to do is to click on it, then click on receive or just copy. Click on copy, then come back to this profile here where you see wallet. Paste this your wallet address and then click on update. You have successfully updated. I've done my own. You can see my wallet here. You can see my wallet here. So uh, I don't need to update it again. This is it here. So you just click on update, and that's all. You have updated your EIFI. Then you'll be waiting for withdrawal. If you have not taken this airdrop, then you are really missing out. So guys, that is what I want to show you now. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. There are so many videos that we are bringing to you how to make money, you know, so many things about cryptocurrencies, airdrops, and so on and so forth. Click the bell icon so that you will not miss any video that I am releasing to you. Thank you very much. This is the Blessed Man Online. Cheers.